And off they go! Almost up on the mountain, I met a real YouTuber. Here she is. Tom, let's see her use it. I helvete.
Hello there, we're going to Idre and Dad is going to run a mountain marathon. Do you have any goal?
Yes, I'm aiming to finish somewhere between 6 and 6.5 hours. Would be fantastic to go under 6 hours and not to be completely drained like I was in Åre last year. But with all the rain, it would be quite a challenge to go under 6 hours.
Okay, we'll see how it goes. Enough talking now. Let's go to Idre! On the road again.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
The life I love is traveling with my family.
I can't wait to get on the road again.
On the road again.
Going places that I never been.
Seeing things I may never see again.
And I can't wait to get on the road again. Upon arrival in Idre the evening before, it's important to carb load, and risotto has worked very well for me in the past, so we'll go with that. As for drinks, sports drink for me, red wine and Coke. Cheers!
2, 1, lycka till!
Där är de igång!
3, 2, 1, lycka till!
And off they go!
This is how the organizer describes Idre Fjällmaraton, the Reindeer Trail, 45k. Some are never satisfied with anything but the toughest challenges. But you, watch out. Nature will push you to the limits with 1,400 meters of elevation, 3 mountains, and a terrain from hell. It will be a journey you never forget. The reward is immense. When you have conquered the gods above, Städjan, and you sprint down the final hill, that's when you feel unbeatable.
In the race, so far so good, good energy, I'm warm, not that much rain, perfect conditions, nice. Yeah, almost up on the mountain, I met a real YouTuber, here she is.
Hello, yeah, check me out at Maria von Schmalensee at YouTube.
Here you go. She looking really good. Steady pace. Almost too fast, I should say. And you have to go into California, Sweden as well, and check out our movies.
Yeah.
Do it. Next.
Good luck!
From about halfway, we shared the trail with those running the distance of 28k. It was nice to see some new faces, but it was quite crowded up there, so I actually had to pass a few people as well. might be wondering what to eat when you're out running for 6 hours. Let me tell you, it's
Sugar.
half an hour before the start. I take a sugar shot packed with caffeine. Then I try to consume around 100 grams of carbohydrates per hour while running. I brought 19 gels with me and consumed 16 of them. I also had 2 bottles that are refilled at the energy stations, one with sports drink and one with water to wash away the sugar taste. Additionally, I take some salt tablets. This year I also did a 3-day carb loading with help from Umara's U-Loader. Perhaps you're wondering about training. How does one prepare for a mountain marathon for the first time? When I ran the Vemdalen Marathon in 2021, the longest distance I had previously run was 20 kilometers. To prepare, I enlisted the help of a running coach who provided me with a program that included interval training and body conditioning. The regimen alternated between long runs and intense shorter sessions. To make a long story short, getting help from a coach to build up my body was very beneficial. But now I run more calmly and intuitively as much as I can fit into my schedule. This usually means running every other day at a very relaxed pace, with the standard session being around 13 kilometers and about 300 meters of elevation gain. It's often recommended that your weekly mileage should be equal to the distance of your race. For me, that means running around 45k per week with approximately 1500 meters of elevation gain. However, I usually can't fit that into my weekly routine. On the Idre Fjällmaraton website, they have a very detailed training program from April 1st to the start of the race at the end of August, which I link down here below. A helpful tip is to practice running downhill and walking fast uphill, as a mountain marathon involves both ascents and descents. A common beginner mistake, which I made the first time, is to focus only on running uphill. But now let's jump back to Idre Fjällmaraton and see if I can make it under 6 hours.
Only 14k left, and it feels good. Hold your thumbs.
He's alive! Heja! Du är inte med på kartan längre. Nej, simma ur. Fan vad fort du springer.
Det är ganska bra.
3 mil.
Ja, det är 1,2 kvar fram.
Ja, löjligt. Ses i mål. Hej, hej. Fel sida.
Helvete, en lift. Då vet vi vad som händer då. Då måste vi upp för. Jävlars. 10k to go. I don't think I will be able to make 6 hours, but jävla smet, man halkar liksom på varenda. And for dessert we have this climb. It's only 4k left, but a couple of 100 meters to climb and go down. Fytti helvete, as they say in Norway. Jonathan, jag ser ljuset. Jag ser Mangiala. Backjäveln plattas ut. Här kändes den. Nope. It wasn't the last one. The light that we saw in the end of the tunnel was the front of an unknown coming train. We have one more to go. She farted.
Run to the hills, run for your life, run to the...
I noticed that I've matched my shoes with my raincoat. Yeah. And it's now that I start running like Sebron, like I am. Not the most pretty style. But it's working. Let's see how it feels when I get down there.
There we go, 6 hours and 22 minutes later, finishing 288th place out of 600. The winner, Oskar Claesson from Team Husqvarna Salomon, finished in 3 hours and 40 minutes. But I still achieved my goal, as I wasn't completely exhausted afterwards. For me it was really difficult to finish under 6 hours given how muddy it got towards the end. The last hills were really tough. And this is how I looked the day after. Yeah, but only 4 days after the race my legs are starting to come back. I was out for a slow jog yesterday and it felt good, so I'm really pleased with the race. If you like this video, please help us out and like and subscribe. Until I see you next time, drive and run safe.
Fytti helvete, as they say in Norway.